Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Fiesta headlight flickering and discusses possible reasons this issue can occur across different Fiesta model years and configurations. Headlight flickering generally refers to headlights that pulse, dim briefly, or fluctuate in brightness while driving or at idle, which can affect nighttime visibility and overall driving safety. In many Ford Fiesta models, headlight flickering can be associated with electrical system behavior. Documented factors include normal voltage variation within the charging system, battery condition, or electrical load changes when multiple systems operate at the same time. In some cases, wiring connections, grounding points, or aging electrical components may contribute to unstable headlight output. Older generations may experience this more often due to wear over time, while newer models could show flickering related to electronic control or system calibration behavior. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. General solutions may include inspecting the battery and charging system, checking electrical connections, and ensuring components meet factory specifications. Not every fix applies to every Fiesta, and proper diagnosis is required before repairs. Across verified automotive references, this issue does not present the same way for all vehicles. Some versions may show intermittent behavior, while others may not experience it at all depending on usage, environment, and maintenance history. In conclusion, Ford Fiesta headlight flickering can have multiple contributing factors, and the exact cause depends on the specific vehicle, model year, and condition. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.